Let's understand the concept of Goroutines in Go language. Goroutines are light-weighted thread executions that supports concurrency in Go language. In simple language, we can say that Goroutines are simple functions as we have in Go language, but we can execute them concurrently or parallelly with the help of this Go keyword. Whenever calling the function, if we write Go keyword, that means we are saying that it is becoming a Goroutine. Here you can see we have created a function, first Goroutine, and while calling this function, I have given Go. So that means if I am giving Go keyword, it says that it is becoming a Goroutine now. That will be executed concurrently. So here I have taken two functions, and in each of the functions, 5 times I am printing this value by giving 1 millisecond of time sleep. Here it will print one value, and after that it will give a pause of 1 millisecond. Similarly, in this way I am giving the same execution. Now in the main function I am calling these two Goroutines. That says that the execution of these two functions will be running concurrently. It won't be waiting for the execution of this function and then it will be jumping on this, but it will start the execution of this function and next it will come to the execution of this function as well. It won't be waiting for the completion of this function. So in Golang, apart from this Go keyword, the interesting factor is in Golang, main function is also considered as a Goroutine. Why I am saying this? Let's run this code first and then I'll explain it. Go run goroutines.go, and here in main function I have first called first Goroutine, then I am calling second Goroutine, and here I have printed main function. Why in output I am getting only the main function? Because while calling the Goroutines, it won't wait for the completion of any other Goroutine. So what is happening in main function? It first start the execution of this function, instantly it will start the execution of this second Goroutine as well, and then after that it is all part of the main Goroutine. So it will instantly print this line and it will not wait for the completion of these two and come out of this main function. So that's why in output we are getting the main function only. How can we see the output of these two functions? Let's give some time sleep here, and now what will happen? It will start the execution of these two Goroutines. It will wait for some time and will start the execution of the next line. Let's save this and again run the code. Now here we can see that we are getting the output of these two functions as well. But you must be observing that first it is going to the first Goroutine, then second Goroutine, second, first. Like there is no such order. Why it's happening? See, in both of the Goroutine we have iterated 5 times, and in both of the Goroutine we are giving some sleep time also. So what was happening? It start the execution of first Goroutine as we have called it first here. So it is going to iteration in first Goroutine first, and then since we have give the sleep time, it will start the execution of the second Goroutine parallelly. So we can see iteration in the second Goroutine. So every time whenever you will be running the code, you will be getting the different order of these output. So here we have taken first, second, and then first. Let's run the code again. And this time you can see it is jumping on the second Goroutine first. So there is no specific order because both of the Goroutine execution is happening in parallel. We cannot restrict the order of this. We just want the parallel execution of these two functions. In this way, with the help of Goroutine, we can achieve the concurrency in Golang. Now there is another concept of anonymous Goroutine. How can we create an anonymous Goroutine in Golang? So first Go keyword is mandatory to make it Goroutine, and then we will say func, and in the block of code the same thing I can give in the third Goroutine as well. The same execution I can give in the third Goroutine as well. Here I'll say, just to make it different, third Goroutine. Save this code, and this is the way we have declared the anonymous Goroutine. Now we have to call it as well. So we will simply give the calling. Okay, run the code again. And now we can see It is starting with a third coroutine, then third, first, second, first, third, first, and the random order again we can see. But yes, all the 3 coroutines are running concurrently in parallel. Or we can say 4 coroutines. Main is also a coroutine. So we can see here in this program, we are running 4 coroutines. So this is the way to achieve concurrency in Golang. I hope you like this explanation of Goroutines in Golang. If you have any queries, please let me know in comment box. Would be happy to answer all of that.